Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Canva AI image generator in mobile. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just click on just go on bottom and click on elements. And here you will see this option, generate your own under AI image generator. Now, just click on generate your own and explain whatever you want to uh, make. So I'm going to write a futuristic space station. Let's see what it will make. Now just click on generate images. You can also use this feature inspire me. Let's use it. Okay. Now just click on generate images. Wait a minute. Now as you can see, the images are pretty much good, not that much bad. Okay, just if you want to select the image into the canvas, just click on it and it will be added to your canvas. Okay, the images are good. So that's how you can use AI image generator in Canva. Thanks for watching.